So in and around the time of the 29th of May and the 5th of June, I was seeing various freight movements and passenger workings in and around the Millerhill area. Having my first catch would be at Nidge Junction on the 29th, where I'd see 6K20, the 1144 DB Cargo Service to Shieldmuir from Millerhill SS with 66126. And then my next catch here would be just moments later, where I'd see 4M01, the early 1521 turned up at 1510, diverted Moss End to Carlisle cement train with 66760. And then my final catch that day would be at New Craig Hall, where I'd go to see OK20, the early 1615 turn up at 1604, Moss End down yard to Millhill SS light locomotive move with 66127.
Thank you for the tones, driver. Hello.
And then my next time again would be back in the Millerhill area, this time return to New Craig Hall again on the 4th, where I'd go to see 6S50, the early 1608 turn off at 1522, Carlisle to Millerhill SS Engineers train with 66128. And then I go to Millerhill entrance at Moncton Hall Junction, where I'd go to see 6E36 leaving Millerhill, the 1622 Millerhill SS2 Doncaster up decoy engineers train with 56302. And then we move just down a bit from that spot to the A1 bridge, where we go to see 6E45, the delayed 1715 turn up at 1722, GBRF service to North Blythe Halkin, GBRF from Fort William Halkin, GBRF with 66739. And then we go back the day after on the 4th to Niddry South Junction, where we see now 6S45, 1402 north to Fort William with 66739. And then we go back to New Crickall Station, where the first catch would be 2T90, the 1438 Edinburgh to Tweedbank with 17402. And here's a working that has only really ran a couple of times in Scotland. This is 6 Echo 5. The delayed 1423 turned up at 1442. Moss End Stirling to Hunslet Tilkin GBRF loaded stone train with 66771. And then we go to Inverness near Malton Hall Junction, where we go to see 4M01 again, the early 1556 turn at 1548 Moss End Stirling to Carlisle NY loaded cement train with 66736. And then my last catch of the week would be OS15, the 1749 Dongrass Down decoy GBRF to Millerhill SS light locomotive move with 66723 up front, 66792 and 66725.